Good morning. What's up? It's Jordan Martin with Martin Stock Club and Martin Investment Group. Here are three stocks I'm looking at today. It's pre-market, so we're already looking at the video for the bearish engulfing flip, rejecting this previous level that was supply, right? And we did it again. Sold off, sold off, sold off, right? So it made a bearish engulfed two previous days, and now it's taking out this low, which is my trigger. So we'll see how we hold up. If we can open below here, it gets a little interesting because we have a chance to go back up, fill the gap before heading back down. But if we do pull back up pre-market and then retake out 130.60, then I'll be looking at NVIDIA for puts. Papa John's. Papa John's had another rejection, right? Let's go ahead and mark that off. Okay, so looking at Papa John's for puts to swing, they do have earnings. What's that? That's today. We will not be trading Papa John's. Oh, because I was looking at the technicals and not the earnings. So moving along, not Papa John's. Morgan Stanley started making this move back up. I talked about it earlier, how it's going to probably start moving back up soon, and that's what it's doing. So I'm looking at it actually for a put opportunity. Although we did make a new high here, we also rejected, right? So a huge inverted hammer. I didn't do the measurement on this candle's body, but pretty large rejection to see that we came up to about 87, pushed back down to finish out at 84. I'm looking for a break of this low. We could take this low out, possibly, get a little support here, but we take out this low as well for the first. Then we could look at coming back down, filling the gap for the 31st, which would be at 82. So I'm gonna set my alert for the break of this low, which would be 82.99. So I'm gonna say 82, 80, 98, 82, 98. And that would be where I'm looking at getting in. That's my alarm for 1 hour of market. All right. So looking at that for that one. And then last but not least, DUK. And for DUK, it's another rejection here. We're seeing that we pushed up, started flipping, inverted hammer once again. Didn't quite engulf these two candles, but if we can break this low, we can go ahead and move back to the open of this, which would be 91, about 91.25. And this low was 92.58, so that'll give us a $1 move if we could take out that low and carry it on down. So those are the three stocks I'm looking at today. And as always, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys tomorrow.